Hello friends, welcome to my channel. We are dealing with the topic grade 6 chapter 7 fraction. My today's topic is comparison of fractions. If you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will get notification for my next video. So let us start with today's topic. My today's topic is comparison of fraction. So what comes under comparison of fraction? Which fraction is greater? Which fraction is smaller? Arrange in ascending order, arrange in descending order. So here if A upon B and C upon D, these are the two different fractions, then we can find out which one is greater or which one is smaller. And for sign for greater than and smaller than, sign is same, only the way of saying is different. Here we can see they say that 5 is smaller than 12, or we can say that 12 is greater than 5. So the symbol for smaller than and greater than is same, only the way of saying is different. So here we will use two methods. The first one is by converting into like fraction and the other method is cross multiplication method. At the same time I will tell you how to solve in short for fill up the types question. So let us start with the first one. If A upon B and C upon D are two like unlike fractions, then we will convert into unlike fraction. My earlier video already I have told you. So now we will compare the numerators and we will decide which one is greater. By cross multiplication method, always just join these two numbers, first one numerator and second one denominator. So A multiplied by D, this always comes on left hand side. By mistake, if you are writing on the right hand side, your answer will be wrong. That's what I have done with the red color. First multiply these two, whatever product is there, write down on the left hand side, and the remaining ones means which to B and C, we will multiply this and we will write down on the right hand side, and again we will compare right hand side and left hand side. So let us do some example. Okay, before that, this method is useful for the first two question, easily we can do that, but this method is useful for all such type of question. So we need to find out the question is from which pattern and which one is more easier way for you, so that you can use that method to solve. So let us take for a few examples. The first one is which fraction is greater. So 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 7. First we will solve by converting into like fractions. So denominators are different. So we will take LCM of 3 and 5. So here which number is greater? 7 is greater. So recite table of 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. 35 comes in table of 5. What does it mean? Your LCM is 35. Now we will write down the first fraction. So your first fraction is 2 upon 5. So write down here 2 upon 5. We will multiply by 5. 7s are 35. So multiply by 7 by 7. Write down the another fraction 3 by 7. And now 7 5s are 35. So multiply 5 by 5. Now multiply numerator with numerator. So 14 upon 35 and 3 5s are 15 upon 35. Here we can do comparison of the numerator. Since 14 is smaller than 15, what does it mean? 14 upon 35 is smaller than 15 upon 35, and we need to write down the answer in the original form. So 2 upon 5 is smaller than 3 upon 7. Now same question we will do by the cross multiplication method. So the number is again 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 7. So this numerator and this denominator we will multiply. So left hand side 2 into 7 and right hand side the remaining one, that is 3 into 5. Sorry, this one should be 5. Let me do correction over here. It should be 3 into 5. So 3 5s are 15. Okay. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, already I have explained you till here. So 2 sevens are 14 and 3 fives are 15. So again we can do comparison. Which one is greater? 15 is greater. So we can write down, since 15 is greater than 14 or 14 is smaller than 15. Therefore this 2 upon 5 will be smaller than 3 by 7. Now if the same question is given for fill up the blanks, then directly just make the arrow. 2 sevens are 14, 3 fives are 15. This one is greater, so this sign will come. So this is the shortcut method for fill up the blanks. Take one more example. Which fraction is smaller? So 5 upon 12 and 3 upon 8. Here also we will solve by both the method, converting into like fractions, and by cross multiplication method. Here your LCM will be 12 and 8. So greater number is 12. Greater number is 12, so we will decide table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 24 also comes in table of 8. What does it mean? Your LCM is 24. The first fraction is 5 by 12. We will multiply by 12. Twos are 24, so 2 by 2. Next fraction is 3 by 8, so right here 3 by 8. Now 8 3s are 24, so multiply by 3 upon 3. Multiply numerator with numerator, 10 by 24, 3 3s are 9 by 24. Now again 10 is greater than 9, or the question is smaller, so we can say 9 is smaller than 10. What does it mean? 5 upon 10 upon 24 will be greater than 9 upon 24. We need to write answer for the original numbers. So 5 upon 12 is greater than 3 by 8. Now the same question we will solve by cross multiplication method. So we will join these two numbers. So 5 8s are 40 and the remaining numbers will be 3 multiplied by 12. So this is 40 and this is 36. Since 40 is greater than 36, what does it mean? 5 upon 12 is greater than 3 by 8. Now same question for fill up the blanks. So just join these two numbers. 5 8s are 40, 12 3s are 36, 40 is greater, so 5 upon 12 is greater than 3 by 8. So for fill up the blanks, no need to write down these steps directly. You can write down the answer, but if the question is for 1 mark or 2 mark in the pattern solve the question, then you need to follow all the steps. Now complete chapters with subtopics are ready to watch. Grade 6 chapter number 1, knowing our numbers, 16 subtopics, whole numbers, 8 subtopics, playing with numbers, 11 subtopics, basic geometrical ideas, 4 subtopics, understanding elementary shape, 5 subtopics. And please note, part 1 link is given in the description and links for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. Now arrange in ascending order. So these four fractions are given. You can see that the denominators are different. It means we need to take LCM of 2, 4, 3 and 6. The greater number is 6. So recite table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 12 comes in table of 2 also, 4 also and 6 also. What does it mean? LCM is 12. Now write the first fraction. 2 6 are 12, so multiply by 6 upon 6. Now write the second fraction, 3 upon 4. 4 3s are 12, so multiply by 3 by 3. The next one is 2 by 3. 3 4s are 12, so multiply by 4 upon 4. 5 by 6, the last fraction. So 6 twos are 12, so 2 by 2. Now we will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 6 by 12, 9 by 12. This will become 8 by 12 and this will become 10 by 12. Now all are in the like fraction. So we will compare the numerators to arrange in ascending order. So the first one is 6 by 12. Ascending means smaller to greater. So 6 by 12 and this is the first one fraction. So at the same time write down 1 by 2. The next one is 8 by 12. 8 by 12 is the last second of fraction. This is last second fraction. So 2 by 3. And now the next one is 9 by 12. 9 by 12 is the first second of number of fraction. So write down your 3 by 4 and the greatest fraction is 10 by 12, that is the last one, 5 by 6. And then you can put here sign to show that which one is greater and which one is smaller. Now take one question from descending order. Here also you can see that your denominators are different. So we will take LCM. Again your greater number is 6. So recite table of 6. So the LCM is 30. Now write the first fraction. 2 15s are 30. So multiply by 15 upon 15. Now write down the second fraction. 5 6 are 30. So multiply by 6 by 6. Now next 2 by 3. 3 10s are 30. So 10 by 10. And now write down 6 7 by 6. 6 5s are 30. So 5 by 5. Multiply numerator with numerator. 45 by 30. 6 by 30. 20 by 30 and 35 by 30. Now we will arrange the numerators in descending order. So the greater one is 35 upon, sorry, 35 upon, sorry, this is the biggest one, 45 upon 30. So this is the first fraction. So write down this first fraction, below that 3 by 2. Now the next one is 35 upon 30. This is the last one. This is the last fraction. So write down 7 by 6. Now next is 20 by 30 and this is the third one. So 2 by 3 and the last smallest one is 6 by 30 and this is the second number one. So this is 1 by 5 and then you can put here sign for ascending or descending order. Grade 6 chapter 5 understanding elementary shapes. 5 videos I have made and the subtopics are written over here. Part 1 link is given in the description and links for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. If denominators are same, greater numerator is the greater fraction. This is also there, but for the students this is confusing. So I always suggest students don't use this, but those who can keep this in mind, definitely this one is the easiest method to solve. So let us take some example. If the denominators are same, so greater numerator will be the greater fraction. So we need to arrange in ascending order. So first one will be 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 5 by 4. Take one more example, arrange in descending order. Here your denominators are same. So we need to start with the greater one. So 9 by 5, 7 by 5, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. For fill up the blanks, 5 upon 12 and 2 upon 12. So this greater numerator is the greater fraction. So this symbol will come in fill up the blanks. Now take another one. If the numerators are same, smaller denominator is the greater fraction. So all the denominators are same. Smaller denominator, this one will be the greater fraction, but we need to arrange in descending order. So we will arrange the greater number first. So 7 by 5 and then 7 by 4, then 7 by 3 and 7 by 2. Arrange in descending order. Again your numerators are same. So greater numerator is the, sorry, smaller numerator is the greater fraction. So we need to arrange in descending order. So first one will be 11 by 3, then 11 by 5, then 11 by 7 and the last one is 11 by 9. For fill up the blanks, if this question is given, if the numerators are same, then smaller denominator is the greater fraction. So 15 upon 17, 15 upon 7 is the greater fraction. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video and also to watch my next video.